Hi and welcome back to day 17 Advent of Code 2019. Uh, yeah, last stream I tried day 16 and I didn't finish it actually. This doesn't work. I kind of understand what you have to do and how you do this. Basically, the number you need is gonna be a sum of with those coefficients, and so that's just a sum of the previous signal. I couldn't get it to work, so I cloned the solution from where? I'm not sure. This one. So, Keter, thank you very much. But this is in code again, so that's fun. Turned off the camera because I looked like shit, but well, anyway. So there's this aft scaffolding control information interface, ASCII for short. So we get an in-code program, and I think it outputs. Yeah, it outputs ASCII actually. So let's just have a look at it. I already did the template here. So this must be mute and this must be clone. And then we will just next output unwrap. So if actually while that that should give us all the output. So match output. We could just convert it to ASCII really. But let's match it. So there's dots and those hashtags. So 35. And 46 means dot. And 10 starts a new line. So let's see equal that, and we will just print that. And let's see what we get. Oh, that's yeah. We have to. This will be a I64 whatever. I already read what you have to do. Basically, you find those intersections. So this is the scaffold, the hashtags. You find it. You have a robot, which you can, I think, control. Maybe not yet, but you have to find the intersections and then calculate some sum. I thought this exercise was about sand or something. Ah, this was 2018, okay. Did we get anything? What? Oh. Yeah, we need to cover all cases. Continue. Well, actually unreachable. I'm usually assuming that the input is correct. If not, we can panic. Actually, a panic would be nicer than unreachable. Valid output. Output. Entered unreachable code. Okay. So now we'll actually know what's wrong. Dot. And then 10 should be new line. What's the panic? 94. Yeah, there's those other characters. Let's just have output as car. That's fine. Then because there are 4 different. What? Oh. Okay, so as U8 as car. Yeah, there we go. Ah, yeah, and we're right over here. That's why it crashed. So I guess first this stuff is called scaffold, right? And we can have a hash map use I want to get the vector 2. So this will be a vector 2 I64 to probably just bool. I know this is not very efficient. Well, let's call it tiles. Impulse scaffold parse yeah, we halt that the machine halts, so halt. Shouldn't that return none? Yeah, I don't really want to change the signature, but it never returns none. So I'll change it. Or actually, I think where did we use it? I think, yeah, that's okay. Huh. Okay, it will return. Will it return none? Yeah, let's just live with it. I think there's a lot of stuff I want to make do better. Okay, we'll take a mute machine, and we'll return scaffold. So I'll copy this loop, and then if machine dot is halted, a break. This will never be none though, so we can match this too actually, and remove the unwrap. Print it, maybe. Okay, let mood x equals 0 and y. Gonna have that to track the position. Tiles dot insert vector to new xy, and I'm gonna insert this yeah character. That's cool. Actually, this could be a vec of vecs easily, and we don't need this. Let mute line equals vec new, and then line, well, first of all, if this, well, it's if c equals new line, then lines dot push. We also need the current line. Let mute line vec new, well, lines push line, and we will line dot equals vec new. Otherwise, why is this? This will then be scaffold lines. Yeah, we'll call it lines. And this is lines dot push C. This should pass the program output. Is there some fields are missing line? Okay. Now it got it. So let scaffold equal scaffold dot colon parse mute machine. This should be easy enough. I'll implement a display for it though. Implement display for scaffold. We should probably, if it's... Why is this... Can't spot any mistake here. Get standard format. We probably need failure. Define error. This. Okay. This would be encode error. And derive clone fail display encode error. Yeah. So then encode from encode error to error. Result self error. Let's have an enum tile. Should be scaffold or space, and we will have the robot section view size, and then try from i64 for tile. So let tile equal output dot try into turn error if one occurs. Standard convert try from and try into. Our error, and then we just match this match value as u8 as car, so we can write it like this. Dot, it's gonna be space, just reorder this here, tile space, it's gonna be space. We probably want robot up robot down, robot left, robot right. Scaffold. So. This is a upper or lowercase. There. So it's up, down, left or right. So you will have this arrow here, this arrow, and patch this, return it. Oh yeah, and this all okay. It's okay. Tiles. Push. Okay. Line dot push. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's rename this. Output code. And new line. So if it's that, it's okay. Output code, new line. This will be last. Okay. Then we can match tile if it's a or code out. Yeah, well, whatever, doesn't matter. And then output code, new line. Gonna do this. Otherwise, gonna do this. Let's say if it's a block, scaffold. Code. Yeah, we could also set it to true. If it's robot up, okay, position. Let's call this robot actually. And this pass camera. And then the robot will have a position and a direction. I should probably have those enums defined somewhere. Up, down, left, right. Okay. We could actually have a try into impl try from output code for direction to convert the robot direction. Match value. this will return self, okay, self up. Do I want to have the robot things? Oh, sorry. This will also be an error, and then error, not a direction. Or not a robot. This is cool direction, so we can convert to that. Tiles will be a boor. We could use a bitvec though. Okay, so code dot trying to then let mode direction equals, I just have a direction north. Well, maybe none. And then we'll set it to some. Have some space, empty lines here. Direction is then direction dot okay or else error no robot. This takes closure. Yeah. Position dot okay or else. They can't fail both. The second one can't fail because the first one will be will be failed already, right? It doesn't matter though. Mod x 0, mod y 0. If there's a new line, we set x to 0 and y increment y, and otherwise I think this has to be a direction option, because there's also x, I think. Visible as x, yeah. Okay. Outcode robot tumbling. So this should probably then be an option 2. None. And this will all be sum. direction. We could, yeah, no. I'll have tumbling as a direction, but yeah, it's not really a direction though. So, okay. And then in any case we increment x. If we find the robot, this is allowed to be 0 now, so no, it's tumbling. Okay. That should be the camera parsing. We should probably take a mute self here and update those, right? So self dot tiles dot clear self dot lines and self dot lines and self this and self this position. Okay. Oh yeah, this can't be in here. Actually, no, error, no robot. Same for position. Okay, that should do this. Do we have no robot already? Yeah. This can also be the cause. Okay. We pass everything, we pass the image. I want to render an image, so... Ugh. Why don't I get auto completion here? I don't know. I'd say what's this called? The alignment parameters. Okay, pop alignment. Self. Use size. Yeah, I think I have to run check. Okay. Okay. And then line 52 and 75. Yeah. Error is encode error. Scaffold does not exist. Robot new machine or program probably. Machine, say machine, apart from new program reference or borrowed a program and return self. Yeah, come on. Program.clone. Tiles is a new vec. Position it's not initialized, so vector, I'm just gonna set it to 0. Vector 2 and direction to none. To tumbling, I think. Doesn't really matter, or up. It will be correct once you pass it. Yeah, okay, now we can implement this, which should be pretty useful. And then for line in self.tiles. Then for if match direction, if it's direction tumbling, this will be a self.lines.push. True. No, false actually. And then everything else. Push. True. Those should error. Make this a machine, this is correct. Tile in line. Return errors and okay. And I will just have the other direction as well. Here. Actually, oh, wait, what? Here. Pull from output code for car. Actually this is a bool, right? So if tal hashtag else dot enumerate, get the line, and here we get x. We might need this. Using tokens and macro arguments. What? Oh. This takes the formatter, right? What line was this? 1, 2, 3. So, line. And 1 for 4. So I have dot lines. One, two, two. Output code, derive, clone, debug, and copy. Maybe also default. I'll implement default. Wait, no. Don't need that. Init. The direction. import this. Line 145. What? Okay, these. Eater. Dot eater. What? $118. There should be a line that push. Direction. Position. And then 148. Here we can return an error tile. Okay. I just defined it, didn't I? Oh man. Okay. Not yet implemented. Debug scaffold. Then but implements Display. So. So I will just write the method then that follows the scaffold. If you find an intersection, you can remember it and just skip over it. Oh yeah, we should robot.parse camera. Oh. Shouldn't this... Not a robot. Interesting. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, there it is. Follow. Oh yeah. So the position, so let self position dot clone, and then we'll need to get the direction, basically. Direction, position to 2i64. Actually, it's use size. want to have a helper function to return if there's a scaffold. Okay. Ugh. Serve dot lines dot get position dot y dot unwrap or default. Wait. Yeah. Then get position dot x on default. Get so if it's sum we need to remember the direction. But I'm pretty tired, so I'll stop this and maybe tomorrow or another day finish the last one and like day 16, and I will finish part 2 here too. So sorry for not finishing this, but I have to get to bed, I think. So I'll see you next time.